Ever wondered about the secret allure of South Korea, a country that seamlessly blends modernity and tradition? We'll delve into the heart of this vibrant nation, spotlighting the top 10 cities that showcase its cultural richness and diverse beauty. Stay tuned as we count down the top 10 must-visit cities in South Korea. Starting off at number 10, we have Jeonju, the food capital of South Korea. Known as a city that has beautifully preserved its historical charm, Jeonju is home to the largest traditional Hanok village in the country. Here, the past meets the present, creating a unique ambiance that leaves visitors in awe. Across the city, you'll find the Jeonju Catholic Church, an architectural marvel that's a testament to the city's diverse cultural history. With its blend of Western and Korean design elements, it's a sight you won't want to miss. But what truly sets Jeonju apart is its culinary scene. From bibimbap, a mixed rice dish, to makgeolli, a traditional rice wine, the city is a food lover's paradise. Each corner offers a new taste, a new experience, a new story. So if your taste buds are craving an adventure and your heart yearns for a dip into the past, Jeonju is the place to be. For foodies and culture enthusiasts, Jeonju is a must-visit. Number 9 on our list is Sokcho, a city that offers a unique blend of mountains and sea. Nestled in the northeastern part of South Korea, Sokcho is a treasure trove of natural beauty and culinary delights. Let's start with the majestic Seoul National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This park is an alluring mix of towering granite peaks, dense forests, and crystal-clear streams. It's a hiker's paradise, with trails that offer breathtaking vistas every step of the way. Moving on, we have the tranquil Sokcho Beach, where the cool sea breeze and soft sands make for a serene seaside escape. And last, but certainly not least, let's talk about Sokcho's seafood. Freshly caught and cooked to perfection, the city's seafood dishes are a culinary experience you won't want to miss. From spicy squid to grilled fish, these mouth-watering delicacies are sure to satisfy your palate. Sokcho is a paradise for nature lovers. Its captivating landscapes and tantalizing cuisine make it a must-visit destination in South Korea. At number 8, we have Daejeon, the city renowned for its scientific research and hot springs. Often referred to as the Silicon Valley of South Korea, Daejeon is a hub of innovation and technology. Its crown jewel, the National Science Museum, is a mecca for tech enthusiasts, offering a fascinating glimpse into the world of robotics, space exploration, and more. But Daejeon isn't just about the future. It's also a city deeply rooted in tradition. Useong Hot Springs, for instance, is a testament to this. Known for its therapeutic properties, these hot springs provide a perfect respite after a day of exploring the city. And let's not forget Daejeon Expo Park, a sprawling complex that once hosted the World Expo and now serves as a multi-purpose park with beautiful gardens and sculptures. It's a perfect spot for a leisurely stroll or a picnic. For a mix of relaxation and learning, Daejeon is your go-to destination. Daegu, our number 7, is a city known for its thriving fashion industry and historical sites. This buzzing city has something for everyone, from the fashion-forward to the history enthusiasts. In the heart of the city, you'll find Seoul Market, a bustling hub of fashion and food. Here you can immerse yourself in local trends or perhaps sample some delicious street food. The market is a sensory delight, a symphony of sights, sounds, and tastes that perfectly encapsulates the vibrant spirit of Daegu. For a journey into the past, there's the Bulodong Ancient Tomb Park, offering a glimpse into Korea's rich history. This archaeological site houses countless ancient tombs, each one a quiet testament to centuries-long past. And don't miss the Palgongsan cable car. It offers breathtaking panoramic views of the city and the surrounding landscape. It's a sight that will stay with you long after you've left. Daegu is a fashionista's dream and a history buff's haven. Gyeongju, the ancient city, ranks at number 6. Nestled in the southeastern corner of South Korea, this city is a treasure trove of historical and cultural heritage. It's often referred to as a living museum, where every corner whispers tales of a bygone era. The Bulguksa Temple is a must-see. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a stunning example of Silla architecture, with its intricate carvings and peaceful surroundings. Moving on, the Gyeongju National Museum is a gateway to the past, housing over 80,000 artifacts, including the Emil Bell, known for its resounding, crystal-clear tone. Don't miss out on the Anapji Pond. Originally constructed as part of a palace complex, the pond is a serene oasis that comes alive with shimmering reflections of the surrounding buildings after sunset. Gyeongju's charm lies in its ability to transport you through time, making you a spectator of its grand past. Gyeongju, the museum without walls, is a must-visit for anyone interested in history and culture. Leaving the historical city of Gyeongju, we venture into Pohang, the vibrant city lying between the mountains and the sea. Pohang, located in the North Gyeongsang province, is a city that combines the bustle of a seaport with the beauty of nature. We start our exploration with the Homegot Sunrise Square, a popular spot to greet the first sunrise of the year. This iconic place features the Hand of Harmony, a sculpture of two giant hands reaching out from the sea and the land, symbolizing unity and friendship. Moving on, we head to the Pohang Steel Art Museum. This unique museum showcases the city's industrial heritage with an artistic twist, presenting a collection of steel art pieces that are both fascinating and thought-provoking. We then head to the Jukdo Market, a bustling food paradise where you can sample a wide array of local delicacies. Don't forget to try out the Pohang specialty, the gwamegi, a half-dried herring or Pacific sari. As the sun sets, we wrap up our day at the Yeonggildae beach. Its beautiful night view with the lighthouse in the background is a sight to behold. Pohang, a city of steel and stunning seascapes, certainly deserves a spot on your South Korean itinerary. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and share it with your friends who are planning a trip. From the historical city of Gyeongju, we move on to the enchanting coastal city of Gangneung, our seventh hidden gem. Gangneung, located on the east coast of South Korea, is a city that celebrates the country's deep-rooted traditions and its love for the sea. Our journey begins with the Ojukeon House, one of the oldest preserved Hanok residences. This charming black bamboo forest is home to the birthplace of the famous Confucian scholar Yulgok Yeon and his mother, Shin Saimdang, who was featured on the South Korean 50,001 note. As we move on, we come across the Gyeongpode Pavilion, a stunning structure that offers panoramic views of the Gyeongpo Lake and the sea. It is said that you can see the moon 5 times when at Gyeongpode, once in the sky, twice reflected in the sea, and twice more in the lake. Finally, we land at the Gangneung Coffee Street, a must-visit for the caffeine lovers. With a strong coffee culture, this bustling street is lined with unique and cozy cafes, each offering a different experience. Gangneung, a city that offers a perfect blend of culture, tradition, and natural beauty, is waiting to be explored. At number 5, we have Incheon, the city that marries the old and new. This bustling metropolis is a spectacle of contrasting times, where skyscrapers tower over traditional Hanok houses and gleaming tech parks sit alongside age-old temples. Let's embark on our journey with Incheon Chinatown, the only official Chinatown in South Korea. Its vibrant streets are a sensory delight, filled with the mouth-watering aroma of Chinese-Korean fusion dishes and adorned with red lanterns and intricate murals. Next, we head to Wolmido Island, a picturesque island that was once a mere hilltop, now transformed into a lively waterfront destination. Its charm lies in its vibrant boardwalk, lined with seafood restaurants, amusement rides, and the famous Wolmi Park. Finally, we arrive at Songdo Central Park, the green heart of Incheon's futuristic Songdo district. Modeled after New York Central Park, it's a tranquil oasis amidst the city's high-rise hustle. Incheon is a city that has something for everyone. Busan, the city of beaches and seafood, takes the 4th spot on our list. This vibrant coastal city is a paradise for those who love to bask under the sun and enjoy the sea breeze. Haeundae Beach, one of the most famous beaches in South Korea, offers a picturesque view of the horizon where the sky meets the sea. The waves gently crashing on the shore add rhythm to the calming sounds of nature. But it's not all about the beach. Busan is also home to the Gamcheon Culture Village, a place where art and community thrive. Its colorful terraced houses, set against the backdrop of the sea, create a mesmerizing sight. And if you're a seafood lover, the Jagalki Fish Market is a must-visit. It's the largest seafood market in Korea, where you can taste the freshest catch of the day. For a taste of the sea, make sure to visit Busan. At number 3, we have Jeju Island, the Hawaii of South Korea. Now let's dive into the charm of this island paradise. Jeju Island is home to Hallasan Mountain, the highest mountain in South Korea. An active volcano with a crater lake at its summit, Hallasan is a hiker's dream with 7 well-marked trails to the top. Next, for a journey back in time, visit the Jeju Folk Village. Here you'll get a glimpse of the island's traditional culture and lifestyle. It's like stepping into a living museum filled with thatched cottages, stone statues, and ancient artifacts. And of course, no trip to Jeju would be complete without tasting its famous Jeju oranges. Known as halabong, these oranges are sweet, juicy, and bursting with flavor. They are a must-try delicacy, whether you enjoy them fresh or in a variety of local dishes. Jeju Island, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a must for any travel bucket list. Our second top city is Suwon, the city of history and tradition. Suwon, a harmonious blend of past and present, offers a unique journey into South Korea's rich heritage. Nestled in the heart of the city is the majestic Hwaseong Fortress, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a testament to the Joseon dynasty's innovative architectural prowess. A stroll away is the Korean Folk Village, where time stands still. Here you can explore traditional Korean houses, witness folk performances, and even try your hand at ancient crafts. The village provides an immersive experience of Korean culture that's hard to match anywhere else. Further enrich your historical journey at the Suwon Hwaseong Museum. The museum showcases the city's history, the significance of Hwaseong Fortress, and the ingenuity of the Joseon era. Interactive exhibits and artifacts bring to life the story of Suwon and its people. Suwon is a city where the past comes alive. It's a city that offers a captivating glimpse into the soul of Korea, making it a must-visit for any traveler. And finally, at number 1, the heart of South Korea, Seoul. The city pulses with a vibrant mix of the traditional and the modern, the serene and the bustling, the historical and the contemporary. Let's start with the Gyeongbokgung Palace, the grandest of all 5 palaces in Seoul. This royal palace is a testament to the architectural prowess of the Joseon dynasty. It's like stepping back in time, surrounded by stunning courtyards, ornate halls, and tranquil ponds. From the past to the present, we move to the Seoul Tower, a beacon of modernity piercing the sky. It's not just a communication and observation tower, it's a symbol of Seoul. From its observatory, you can drink in panoramic views of the cityscape, a sight that will leave you breathless. Next on our list is the Myeongdong Shopping Street. This bustling hub is a paradise for shopaholics and foodies alike. With its array of skincare boutiques, fashion stores, and street food stalls, Myeongdong is the place to immerse yourself in the latest Korean trends. As the sun sets, the city transitions into a vibrant nightlife scene. The district of Hongdae comes alive with its energetic street performances, trendy clubs, and lively bars. It's a place where both the young and the young at heart can let loose and enjoy the night. Seoul is a city of contrasts. It's where the old coexists with the new, where tranquility can be found amidst the hustle and bustle, where every street corner holds a new discovery. It's a city that embraces its past while eagerly looking towards the future. Seoul, the city that never sleeps, is a city you'll never forget. And there you have it, the top 10 must-visit cities in South Korea. From Jeonju's traditional allure to Seoul's bustling nightlife, each city boasts unique attractions. Remember, South Korea is more than just its cities. It's a country full of surprises waiting to be explored. So when are you booking your trip?